What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Roblox error code 5244 in 2025. So let's get on to this. So if you're getting this error code in 2025, there's an easy way to fix this. The first thing to do is click into the top right cog and then go into settings. In here, the first thing you want to do is you do want to verify your age. So this is the first process that you basically need to kick off of to have your age verified, because you need to be over 13, which is why this essentially is happening. So even if you don't verify the age, you just got to be over 13 to be able to kind of do that. The next thing to do is in here, you want to then go over into where it says essentially privacy. So let's just go into it. So over here, so it should be like the privacy and content restriction in here where it says visibility and servers, and where it says private servers, you want to basically have this change to everyone, and then you want to go back in here at visibility as well. You want to change this to everyone. It's up to you if you want to share activity updates or whatnot, but these are the two main things for your content that you basically want to do, right? You want to essentially change these into that. If there's other sections as well where you have to basically like update it to everyone, you can do so as well and then go from there. But once you do this, you should be good to go. You should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button on that. Mo Tutorials out. Peace.